Hi, this is Soane, and here's how landlords and property investors can use the energy performance certificate to make more profit. So, if you're looking for a property, or you're already buying a property, or maybe you've already got a property, then have a look at the Energy Performance Certificate. As you probably know, it shows you the current EPC rating and it shows you the potential EPC rating for the property. If you're looking at the full Energy Performance Certificate, it will show you a list of all the work that you could do to that property to bring it up to the highest EPC rating that that property could achieve. If you're buying a property, find out from the seller if any of that work has been done since the EPC was carried out. Otherwise, build all of that work into your costs and build it into your calculations of how much you need to invest in this property. And it's the same with landlords. Work out how much that property will cost to get it up to that full EPC rating potential, and then do the work. When you complete on your purchase, or you get the opportunity as a landlord to do the work now. And here's why, and also here's how you make profit from it. I know, making profit. Now, we all know that the minimum EPC rating is an E. That means your property has to have an energy performance rating of E or better before you can let it to a tenant. Now, here's a warning. It's probably going to a D rating minimum in the very near future, and then probably to a C rating minimum in the future after that. So if you do this work now, you'll beat the rush. Think about it. When the EPC rating minimum goes up, then everyone's going to have to do it. And then you'll have all of the trades and contractors are going to bump up their prices because demand is so high. So if you do it now, the chances are you'll probably get it a bit cheaper than you will when you've got to do it. So get it done now and future-proof your investment and beat the rush. But how do you make more profit from all of this? Well, first of all, the energy performance rating of a property is really important to tenants right now. In fact, 60% of tenants are now saying they will not rent a property with a low energy performance rating, because it means their energy bills are going to be so much higher if there's a poor EPC rating on a property. Now, if you've got a better performing property, so it has a higher EPC rating, then that's like an advert. It's like a selling tool now, and it will attract more tenants. More people will be interested in renting your property because they know that energy bills and the cost of living is going to be lower. And the more tenants that are attracted to your property, the higher the demand. And we all know that where there is high demand, you can charge more rent. And yes, believe it or not, Mr. and Mrs. Landlord, we are allowed to make profit from our property investments. I know, it's criminal, but we're allowed to. You are entitled to. In fact, it's the sole reason that you invested in property in the first place. And further, you have to make profit from your property so that you've got enough money in that property and from that property to be able to repair it, maintain it, and improve it. So more demand means more rent. And a better energy performance rating means a better property. It's like decoration now. If you've got a better decorated property, it's going to attract more tenants. The same way that if you've got a better energy performance rating, it's going to attract more tenants. But more importantly than that, yes, you can charge more rent. Yes, you're future-proofing your investment, but you're also going to attract long-term secure tenants because they're going to be more comfortable in the property because their energy bills are lower. Their property is warmer. It's a better property. So check the EPC. Have a look and see what work can be done to bring it up to the potential, and most importantly, get that work done. If you want to use my energy performance assessor, let me know. I'm more than happy to connect you up with them by email or by message, whatever it might be. Or if you want my lettings team to do that for you, just let me know. But most importantly, get the work done. It's a real bonus to your property investment, first of all for now, but also for the future.